Hello students, I'm going to show you how to do the making equal groups activity. So let's go ahead and start. So the first step is to move pieces to make equal groups to match the problem. So our problem is right here. Make 6 groups of 2. So you can see we have 6 groups and we're going to use these fish to make groups of 2. That means I'm going to put 2 fish in each group. So you can drag them one by one over there. So whenever we multiply, we're making equal groups. So every group needs to have the same amount inside. Once we've finished moving all of our pieces over, we're going to go on to step 2, which is to create a multiplication equation. So we're going to type that in right here. So we're going to start with 6, the number of groups we have, and the number in each group, which is 2. So we have 6 groups of 2. And what's the total amount that we have? Well, we have 12 altogether. So 6 times 2 equals 12. Now I'm going to put these words down here to label the parts of the problem. The 2 numbers that we're multiplying are called the factors. So we'll move those over. And then our answer to a multiplication problem is the product. And you don't need to worry about them being perfectly lined up. So that is how you do one of the problems. So you'll go ahead and do all the different problems that you have in this activity. Have fun making equal groups.